Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This is called the middle of the linked list. Basically, someone to give you a linked list, and you need to return the middle node. If there are two nodes in the middle, then return a second node. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you need to return this node. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you return this node. Okay, so remember that what we need to return is a node. It's not a value, it's a node. Okay, so it's very easy. We create a L empty list. So this list is so each element is a node. Okay, so each head is now empty, then we just append head and then head to next. So after that, L contains all the node. Then we just return the length L divided by 2. So basically it's the middle one. So it's very easy. Basically all the ways you need to know how to write this, then you can solve it. Okay, then that's it. I will see you guys in the next other videos. Thanks. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.